So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a lip combo. The first one I'm going to be using is this Huda Beauty lip gloss or lipstick in matte, and also this one. I don't know their colors, but I'll make sure to leave links in the description box down below. And I'm going to be using two lip liners, black and brown, just outlining my lips. I'm not overlining, I'm outlining. Make sure to get that correct. Line it in however way you like it. As you can see, it's already giving. I'm starting off with a black lip liner, then going with my brown lip liner. Honestly, any lip liner of your choice will be fine. Also, a dark purple lip liner will also be really great. Going in with my lipstick. Oh, you see how it's pretty? Also outlining my lips with the lipstick, as you can see, just to give it that nice and juicy look. I really like this video, you guys, so great. Then I'm also going to go in with the pink color, like to fill in the parts of my lips that I haven't outlined yet, just to complete that look. And as you can see, the black, the purple, the peach, it's just blending it all together, which is your main lip combo literally, because if it doesn't blend together, it's not going to be really cute. Now these are the shades that I'm using. I'm going to try my best to put links in the description box down below. Make sure to like this video if you feel it is worth it, and thank you so much for watching. The next thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be applying clear lip gloss on my lips, because if you want a matte finish, fine, that's okay, you can leave the lip gloss. But if you want a glossy, sexy look, go ahead and use the lip gloss. Make sure to use a clear lip gloss or a lip gloss with any of the two shades, as you can see before. And I am obsessed with this combo. Like, you don't know how much I love this combo. Now this can go for any look where it complements the colors of your outfit, your eyes, your hair, your makeup, anything in general, because this look is versatile. It goes with practically everything. It is also calm, it's not too busy, it's not too different, it's nothing really special. It's just clear, normal, and beautiful in my opinion. I really like this look. I just wanted to, because I feel like makeup is something I'm actually going into in my next videos. Okay, so make sure to get ready to see more of makeup, lifestyle, hair care. Also, you know, I can't let you guys on the hair care, and I decided to just change my hair, look good. Don't mind my face in this part. I don't know why I look so serious, but I decided to glam up for thumbnails or something because I just felt like I should have done this like for you guys, especially since I was wearing a bonnet, I think so, in the beginning of this video. Yeah, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys like the lip combo. If you have any lip combos you want me to do in the next video, make sure to comment down below. If you want to send me stuff, make sure to check the description box. If you want to follow me on any of my social media platforms, check the description box below, or go to my channel and check the description box in my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your likes, your shares, your comments, your subscribes, and I really hope you guys stick to the next video. I just look crazy just look crazy here. This was a really quick video, but it doesn't matter as long as I provided you with quality.